This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Center, Realtors property video is presented by Peggy Manning. Wow! You will love this beautifully updated home. The many features include hardwood floors, granite counters and top-of-the-line appliances including a Bosch dishwasher and updated bathrooms. The floor plan is open and includes a cozy wood-burning fireplace. Split bedrooms including updated bathrooms. The master bath features separate dressing areas. The large backyard is tree-shaded and great for entertaining. Call today for a showing of this lovely home. For more information, review the details below.